When the Christmas season approaches, there's something magical about transforming your home into a festive wonderland. Decorations are more than just aesthetic touches. They create an atmosphere that invites warmth, joy, and togetherness. Whether you're going for a traditional look, something modern, or even a minimalistic vibe, Christmas decorations have a way of making your home feel alive and filled with the holiday spirit. One of the greatest benefits of decorating for Christmas is the emotional lift it brings. The holiday season can be a busy and stressful time, but coming home to a space that feels festive and cozy can provide a much-needed sense of peace. Just seeing twinkling lights, wreaths on the door, or the sparkle of ornaments on the tree can instantly brighten your mood and remind you of the special moments to come. Plus, decorating together as a family can strengthen bonds and create lasting memories. It's a chance to pause from the hectic pace of life and focus on creating something beautiful with your loved ones. Starting with the Christmas tree, it's often the centerpiece of holiday decor. Whether you prefer a real tree with the fresh scent of pine or an artificial one you use year after year, the act of decorating the tree becomes a tradition that many families cherish. Choosing the right ornaments can reflect your personal style and taste, from classic red and gold to more personalized pieces that tell a story. Consider using a mix of shiny baubles, wooden ornaments, and ribbons to create texture and depth. For a cohesive look, you could choose a color scheme that flows with the rest of your home's decor. But don't be afraid to incorporate unique, meaningful ornaments that bring back memories from past holidays. Lighting is another essential part of Christmas decor that sets the mood. String lights, whether they're classic white or multicolored, can create a magical ambience both inside and outside your home. Inside, you can wrap lights around your tree, frame windows, or drape them along a mantel. Outside, lining the roof or trees in your yard with lights not only looks stunning, but it also spreads cheer to your neighborhood. If you want to add a bit of drama to your lighting, consider using lanterns or candles. Battery-operated candles can be placed safely on windowsills or as centerpieces to give off a cozy glow. Wreaths and garlands are classic elements that add a welcoming touch to your home. A wreath on your front door instantly sets the holiday tone, and you can choose one that matches your style, whether it's made of fresh pine, artificial greenery, or even adorned with ornaments and ribbons. Inside, you can drape garlands along staircases, over doorways, or across the mantel to bring the festive spirit into every corner of your home. Adding small touches like pine cones, berries, or bows can elevate the look and bring in that rustic, natural charm that feels so fitting for the holidays. Decorating the dining table is another opportunity to make the holiday season feel special. Whether you're hosting a Christmas dinner or simply enjoying a quiet meal with family, setting a festive table can make everything feel more celebratory. A simple table runner with a few decorative elements like candles, greenery, or even small ornaments can transform the space. Think about layering textures with linens, placemats, and elegant glassware to create a sophisticated yet inviting setting. If you're going for a more laid-back vibe, you can still incorporate festive touches like holiday-themed napkins or place cards to make the meal feel personal and warm. Another idea to consider is adding Christmas-themed accents throughout your home. Little touches like holiday-themed pillows, cozy blankets, or even swapping out your regular hand towels in the bathroom for festive ones can make a big impact. These small changes add a layer of festivity without overwhelming the space. You can even get creative with scents, candles, or diffusers, and seasonal fragrances like cinnamon, pine, or vanilla can evoke that warm holiday feeling and make your home feel even cozier. For those with fireplaces, it's the perfect spot to showcase some of your favorite Christmas decorations. Hanging stockings is a classic tradition, and you can choose stockings that fit your home's style, from traditional red velvet to more contemporary designs in neutral tones. Adding a few decorative items like candlesticks, garlands, or small figurines along the mantel can tie the whole look together. Don't forget to include a touch of personal charm, maybe a family photo in a festive frame or a small holiday message spelled out in decorative blocks. As you decorate your home for Christmas, don't feel pressured to stick to a specific theme or style. The beauty of holiday decorating is that it's personal, and it should reflect what makes the season special to you and your family. Mixing old and new, incorporating family traditions, and creating a space that feels cozy and inviting is what makes Christmas decorating so meaningful. You can even involve the whole family by letting kids pick out a few decorations or help with hanging ornaments. They'll love the chance to participate, and it'll create a sense of ownership over the holiday magic. As you continue to fill your home with Christmas decorations, think about how each space can contribute to the overall festive atmosphere. Every little detail adds up to create a warm, inviting space where you can enjoy the holiday season to its fullest. One often overlooked area is the entryway. This is the first impression people get when they walk into your home, so why not make it as festive as possible? A simple addition like a small Christmas tree or a basket filled with ornaments and pine cones can instantly set the tone. You could also add some holiday-themed doormats or hang garlands around the entryway to welcome guests in style. When decorating, don't forget about the kitchen. It's a space that often gets a lot of use during the holidays, whether you're baking cookies or preparing a big Christmas dinner. Adding a few small touches like festive dish towels, holiday-themed mugs, or a decorative bowl filled with candy canes can bring a bit of Christmas spirit into the room without cluttering up your cooking space. You can also hang a wreath on the pantry door, or use holiday-themed containers for storing cookies and treats. For those who want to make a bold statement, consider setting up a themed Christmas corner in your living room or another frequently used space. It could be a spot where you display a unique collection of holiday decorations, like nutcrackers or snow globes, or simply a cozy reading nook with holiday books, candles, and a soft blanket. This space can serve as a dedicated area for relaxation and reflection during the holiday season. A place where you can curl up with a cup of hot cocoa and enjoy the festive surroundings. Another idea that's gaining popularity is decorating outdoor spaces, not just with lights, but with cozy Christmas touches. If you have a porch, adding a small Christmas tree or some oversized ornaments can create a welcoming vibe. You could even add outdoor cushions in festive patterns or colors and layer them with warm blankets, so your family and guests can enjoy the fresh air while still feeling the holiday warmth. Outdoor lanterns or battery-operated candles are great for adding that extra bit of glow in the evening, making your home look inviting from the outside as well. As you approach your final decorating touches, remember that Christmas decor isn't just about making everything look perfect. It's about creating an environment that feels good, one that brings out the happiness and excitement of the season. Whether you're opting for a simple, elegant look or something more extravagant and bold, the most important thing is that it reflects your personal style and the traditions that are meaningful to you. While Christmas decorations are visually stunning, they also have a deeper impact. They remind us of the joy of giving, the warmth of family, and the magic of the season. They turn our homes into festive sanctuaries, filled with love and laughter. Whether it's the joy of putting up the tree, the quiet satisfaction of lighting a candle, or the excitement of seeing your home lit up with twinkling lights, Christmas decorations bring a sense of wonder and anticipation that is truly unique to this time of year. In the end, Christmas decorations have a way of making your home feel like a true retreat, where you can relax and enjoy the season. They bring warmth, light, and a sense of celebration into every room. Plus, the process of decorating can be just as enjoyable as the end result, whether it's laughing over tangled lights or finding the perfect spot for a new ornament. Embrace the opportunity to turn your home into a place of joy and togetherness during the holidays. It's more than just decor. It's about creating an environment where memories are made and shared with those who matter most.